So hello everyone again. I hope you can hear me. Today we'll solve the questions of entrance exam from 2023. My name is Sevgi Chapras for the ones who is new. We are doing the lessons normally on Wednesdays, but we had something, so we changed to, for this week only to Thursday, the mathematics part. And Saturday at 11 o'clock, it will be the repeating lesson, the same thing of today. And so as I said, we are solving 2023, and where you can find the questions that are asked from our webpage, ykc.edu.mk. When you will enter to this webpage, from the media part, you can see scholarships and then all the entrance exams from 2013, I think, they are uploaded there. So let's start today from the first question. First question is the BEDMAS or PEDMAS rule, which P parenthesis first, then if you have exponents, then multiplication, division, and at the end addition or subtraction. So we'll start with the parenthesis. 16 divided by 4 times 6 minus 2 is 4 plus 4 times 3 squared will be 9 is equal to, when you have division and multiplication together, always you will start from left to the right. So I will start firstly 16 divided by 4, which is 4, then we have 4 times 4 plus, and here the multiplication 36. So I have 16 plus 36, which is 52, the result. So we have D. In the second question, we have decimals, fractions and decimals. For this part, you may have different ways to solve. Today I will show you, I will multiply all of them with the powers of 10 to get rid of the decimal point. So here I have two numbers after decimal point. So this fraction, all fraction, I'm multiplying with 100. Also this one, after decimal point, I have two numbers. I will multiply by 100, all the fraction. And this one, I have, one of them is with one decimal number. The other one is with 2. I will, because of these two, I will multiply by 100. So our fraction will become 100 times 0.2 will be 20 over 100 times 0.02 will be 2, plus the other one will be 24 over 8, and minus last one will be 3 over 10. So as you see, 20 over 2 will be 10, plus 24 over 8 will be 3 minus, and this one is 3 over 10, which is 0.3, is equal to 13 minus 0.3 will be 12.7, which is C. While you're answering, be careful not to make mistake in writings, because there can be some tricky questions sometimes. So 12.7, which is C, the second one. In the third one, we have systems of equations. Previous lesson, in the previous year, like 2024, the question was different. We were looking for x minus y, but here directly we are looking for the x value and y value. So to solve systems of equations, there are three different methods. I will use one of them, which is called elimination method. Elimination method means you will choose one of the variables, x or y, to eliminate. How we can do this? By multiplying one of the equation or two of them at the same time with some numbers to make the coefficients same but with different signs. So I'm choosing firstly x to eliminate. Here I have 3x, here I have 1x. So I want to make this one minus 3x to make the opposite of the second equation. So to make it minus 3x, I'm multiplying all the equation by minus 3. Then it will become minus 3x minus 6y is equal to minus 30. First equation. Second equation I'm writing down same because we are not doing any operation there. So what I will do to eliminate x, I will add these two equations together. So minus 3x plus 3x is 0, so they will cancel each other. And I have minus 6y plus 5y, which will be minus y is equal to minus 30 plus 20 will be minus 10. Then I will multiply by minus 1 to get rid of these minuses. So I will have y is equal to 10. When you are finding y, it's easier to find x. Then in any of the equations, you can choose which one to do. Instead of y, you will write the value that you found and then find x. I will choose first one because it's easier. So x plus 2 times 10 is equal to 10. So x plus 20 is equal to 10. When I will take 20 to the other side, it will be x is equal to 10 minus 20, which x is equal to minus 10. So our solution, x and y, will be minus 10 and 10, which is B. Can everyone hear me, by the way? It's okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank
Yes.
you. So I'm continuing with the fourth one. Okay. If there is any problem, guys, that you cannot hear, please tell me. Now the fourth question, it says write the equation of the line which passes through the point A, minus 1 and 2, with slope m. So for this one, we have a formula for the equation of line that passes from point with slope is this formula here. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1.
Hey.
This x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the...
Put him mute.
Please, can you mute yourself? Thank you. So, one more time. Here, this is the formula that you need to know to write an equation of a line with given point and slope. So, x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the given point, and m is the slope. So, we have given everything, only I will replace in the formula. So, it will become y minus y1 is 2, the second coordinate of the point, is equal to m is given as 3 times x minus from the formula and minus 1 from the given point. So it will become y minus 2 is equal to 3 times. First, I will do the operation in the parentheses, which will become x minus and minus plus 1. Then I will multiply by 3. So I have y minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 3. Now, as you see the given the answers here, all of them is like everything is in one side. So I will do the same thing. I will take everything in one side. I'm checking the answers. In answers, x is all positive mostly. So I will take y and minus 2 to the other side to check what will happen. So I will have 3x minus y. I have plus 3 here and plus 2 here. When I will take to the other side, is equal to 0. So I have 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. As you see, A is the answer. The important part here is to know the formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Then let's see the fifth one. Fifth one says, in a class 5A, there are 18 girls and 12 boys. What is the ratio of girls to boys? It's simple question. How many girls we have? 18 girls. Then how many boys we have? 12 boys. We are looking for the ratio. This is the ratio. We will find the simplest form. So both of them, 18 and 12, they are divisible by 6. So I will divide by 6. 18 divided by 6, it's 3, and 12 divided by 6, it's 2. This is simplification. What am I doing here? So the result is A, 3 to 2. Ratio of girls to boys is 3 to 2. Now, sixth one, we have a bag with 9 red balls 2 blue balls and 3 green balls in it. What is the probability of randomly selecting non-blue balls from the back? So firstly, we need to find totally how many balls we have. We have 9 plus 2 plus 3, which is 14 total, the number of balls. And the question says non-blue ones. So we are taking that are not blue. Which ones are not blue? Red and green. So 9 plus 3, which is 12, non-blue. These are non-blue ones. So probability is always the number of events over number of total sample space. What does mean event? What we are talking about? We are talking about non-blue ones. So I have 12 non-blue ones and totally I have 14 balls. So when I will simplify this one by 2, I will have 6/7, which is B. This is the 6th question. The probability always is this one. Number of sample space means all the possible outcomes, and number of event is the outcomes that we are talking about. Now in the 7th one. In the 7th one, what we have, a student spent 1/12 of her weekly money on Monday, 1/4 on Tuesday, and 1/3 of it on Wednesday. He wants to spend an equal amount in the remaining days. What fraction of his money can he spend on Saturday? So firstly, let's collect all these fractions to see totally how much of her money she has spent. So I will have 1/12 plus 1/4 plus 1/3. So here, when we'll add these fractions, what we need to do, we need to make the denominators same. So I will have 1 plus 3 plus 4/12, which is 8/12. This is what she spent in 3 days, the fraction of her money. Then how much money she has left? We will you can do this one as like X, that she has the total money. The total money that she had is X. So 8x/12 she has spent. So I will find how much of her money has left, like subtracting from the total money. So this one will become 12x minus 8x/12, which is 4x/12. This is what is left. Now you can simplify this one by 4, which will be x/3 is left. How many days are left on the... He wants to spend an equal amount in the remaining days. 3 days she has spent, so 4 more days are left. So I need to divide this money, the money that is left, to 4 to spend it equally. So I will divide by 4. You know, when we have fractions of division, so I'm writing first one the same, second one I'm changing to multiplication, and it will become x/12. So it means that 1/12 of her money she has to spend in 1 day what is left. So the result is A. This is the 7th one. 8th one. A seller in the bazaar sells a goat, a lamb, and a calf. The weight of the goat and lamb together is 57 kilograms. So let's say that we have goat as G, and goat and lamb plus lamb is 57. Then the weight of the goat and calf is 111. Goat plus C, 111. And why the weight of the lamb and calf is lamb plus calf is equal to 118. How much does the calf weigh? So as you can see here, we have 3 equations with 2 unknowns. if I will add all of them, you can see that we will have 2G plus 2L plus 2C is equal to the addition of this numbers are 8 plus 1, 9 plus 7, 16, 1 in mind, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 5, 7, and 1 in mind, 8, and to 286. So all of them are with 2, so I can simplify by 2. So I will find the sum of all the animals, the weight of the animals. So 286 divided by 2 is 143. So this is the total weight of 3 animals. We are looking for the calf. So I need this one. Do I have G plus L? I have here, it's given. So I will write 57 plus C is equal to 143. So C is equal to 143 minus 57. So C is equal to 86, which is the answer C. Now, let's see the ninth one. Ninth one is an inequality. We have 2x minus 3 over 4 greater than x minus 3x minus 5 over 5. So in this type of questions, if it was directly two fractions, you are doing the cross product or butterfly method as you call. But here we have x minus a fraction. So first I need to do this operation here, which I need to make the denominators same. So our inequality will become 2x minus 3 over 4 greater than 5x minus, when you have minus here and binom, two term expression, I need to open parenthesis because minus will change the signs. If you are not opening parenthesis, you will not have a correct result. Then let's see what happens. 2x minus 3 over 4 greater than 5x minus 3x minus and minus plus 5 over 5. Then I will continue here. 2x minus 3 over 4 greater than 5x minus 3x. It's 2x plus 5 over 5. Now I will do cross product, which is 5 times 2x minus 3 greater than 4 times 2x plus 5. Then it becomes 10x minus 15. We are multiplying by 5, both of them, and here by 4, greater than 8x plus 20. Unknowns in one side, knowns in the other side, and it will become 10x minus 8x greater than 20 plus 15, which is 2x is greater than 35. We are dividing by 2. X is greater than 35 over 2, which is D. This is the ninth one. Now, 10th one. 10th one is a fraction question, but we have mixed numbers. Firstly, you need to remember how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. Here is the formula, which we call backwards C. So C times A plus B. So first I need to convert them to improper fractions, then we'll do the operations. So it will be 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5 over 2 plus 3 times 5, 15 plus 1, 16 over 3 divided by 8 over 3. Then when I am converting the fractions, I will continue the operations from Bedmann's rule. First I need to do the division, then addition. So first one I'm writing the same, plus division of two fractions. The rule is that first fraction you are writing the same, then changing division to multiplication and change the places of numerator and denominator. When you have multiplication of fractions like this. If you can do some simplifications before multiplication, you can do it like 3 and 3, because 3 over 3 is 1. Both of them will cancel each other. 16 over 8 is 2. So here 1 you will have, here 2 you will have. So what is left? 5 over 2 plus here I have only 2 left because all the other parts are 1. So here when I will do this addition, I will have 5 plus 4 over 2 because I'm making the denominator 2 here. So it will become 9 over 2, which is A. This is the solution of 10th one. Let me take it here. Now, when we'll come to the 11th one, here you need to remember some properties of the exponents. If we have same base and multiplication between two numbers, you can add the exponents. If you have power of power, you are multiplying the powers. And if you have addition with the same base, you are subtracting the powers. Also for this question, you may have different ways to solve, but I will try to show you to make all of them the same base, which is easier for me to make all of them to the base 10. So if I will make 100 to the base 10, it is 10 square times here 100 cube. 100 again, I will do 10 square. Then I will open parenthesis. I will write this cube here that is given times here. I will use this property square and cube I have. So it will become 10 to the power of 2 times 3 is 6. Here inside of the parenthesis I have 1000, so which means 10 cube and then to the power of 4. So it will become 10 square times, here I have again power of power, second property here. So it will become 10 to the power of 6 times 10 to the power of 6 over 10 to the power of 3 times 4, 12. And now this one is the first property. Bases same. We have multiplication between them. So I'm writing 10 squared this one times. Here I will have 10 to the power of 6 plus 6, 12 over 10 to the power of 12. Now, as you see, they are the same, so they cancel each other. It will be 1 here because 10 to the power of 11 over 10 to the power of 11. We are dividing the same number with itself, so it is 1. So only the result is 10 squared, which is 100, and it is C here. This is the 11th one. Now, in 12th one, it's a bit more, it seems a bit more complicated one. One formula is given to you, and then it is asking to find any of the terms here, see in the terms of the other unknowns. So firstly, what I will do here, first I will do cross product, which will become, I will multiply x with 2a and this one that we have here 1 with 1. So it will become 2ax is equal to minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac. Now, always when you have roots and if you want to get rid of the roots, we will leave it alone in one side. So I will take minus b to the other side. 2ax plus b is equal to, here I have plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac. Why I'm trying to get rid of the square root? Because here, as you see, you have you have b, c to find a. So all of them are inside of the square root. I need to find them alone. So I need to get rid of the square root. So I will take square of both sides because square and square root cancel each other. So this part will become 2ax plus b squared is equal to, when you are taking square, plus or minus, and minus will become plus and plus will become plus. So this part are canceling, and we will have root of b squared minus 4ac squared. Square and square root, they cancel each other. So what we have here, 2ax plus b squared is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So to find a or c in terms of the others, here we have parentheses, I will take This one I will take to this side, which will become 4ac is equal to b squared. And this expression I will take to the other side, which will become minus 2ax plus b squared. So look here, I will check A and C. The others are not working totally when you will see the operations. So if I will find C only, I need to divide everything with 4a here. So b squared minus 2ax plus b is the square over 4a, which is the answer A here. Okay. If you are a bit more careful from the beginning, you will see that C, D, and E cannot be. It's not possible to be in square root when you will get rid of the square root, again, to have square root. So directly you can cancel the answer C, D, E, and you need to check A and C, A and B, which one will be correct by the operations. This is 12th one. Now, 13th one, a geometry question. So here, what is first, you need to see what is given. You need to read what is given. BC, these two lines means parallel. BC is parallel to DE. BC is parallel to DE. Also, parallel lines are shown with arrows like this. And then it's given that BDE is 63 and CEF is 108 degrees. So if we have two parallel lines and another line that passes through that parallel lines, there is a rule that these corresponding angles are same if this is y and this one is y. If this is 63 and this one is 63. So this one will help you. So here, as you see, y and 108, they are forming a straight angle, which means y plus 108 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, a straight angle. Then y will be 180 minus 108, which is 72 degrees. Then if we know y, as you can see in the big triangle ADE or in the small one ABC here, we have x plus y plus 63, which are interior angles of a triangle, which we know that sum of the interior angles are 180 degrees. So we know y, so we will find x. So x plus 72 plus 63 is equal to 180, sorry. So x plus this part will be 135 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 135. So x is equal to 45 degrees. What we are looking for? We are looking for y minus x. So y we found 72, x we found 45. Then the result will be 12 minus 5 is 7. Then 6 is left here. 6 minus 4, 2. So we have 27 degrees. So important part, this is not hard question, but only important part is to know that when you have parallel lines, and if there is a line that passes through that parallel lines, they are forming some equal corresponding angles. This is a rule. Now let's see the 14th one, what it says. It says here, area of the isosceles triangle ABC is 60 centimeters square. AB is equal to AC and BC is equal to 10 centimeters. Then what is AC? So here there is given the properties of a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means the two sides are same, like here, A, and the third one, B, which we call base. So when you have an isosceles right triangle, and if we are drawing a height from the top point, height, altitude h, then this altitude will divide the base into two equal parts. So here, in our question, A, B, C, these two sides are given that they are equal, and it's given that BC is 10 centimeters. If I will draw the height height will divide the BC into two equal parts, which is 5 and 5, and h. And what is given? Area is given. Area of a triangle is always 1/2 times base times height, as it's written here. So we know the base, we know the height, we don't know height, we know area. So it will become 1/2 times h times 10 is equal to 60. From here we'll find h. 10/2, which is 5. So I have 5h is equal to 60. So h is equal to 60/5, which is 12. But we are not looking for h, we are looking for AC. And let's say this is A and this is A. So here, as you see, I have a right triangle, which I can use the Pythagorean theorem. So hypotenuse here, it's A. So A squared will be equal to H squared, which we found 12 squared plus the half of the base, 5 squared. So A squared is equal to 144 plus 25, which is 169. So A is equal to root of 169, which this one is 13. Also, guys, if you know, there are some special right triangles that the sides are known, like 5, 12, 13, like 6, 8, 10, like 3, 4, 5. If you know them, no need to do the Pythagorean theorem. You will see that this is 12, this is 5, the other side is 13 directly. Now here we have a circle given, and find the perimeter of the shape using pi is equal to 3. So we are looking for the perimeter of this circle. One part of the circle is missing. Perimeter of a circle is, I don't know, I cannot see. Perimeter is 2 pi r. But this part that we are looking, if this is one part, look, it's given that this is 90 degrees. So 1/4 of the circle is not here. If 1/4 is not here, so this part that is here is 3/4 of the circle. So I will do 2 pi r times 3/4 to find only this part. So it will become 2 times pi is 3, r is given 4, times 3/4. When you have multiplication, this 4 and this 4 can cancel each other. So we'll have 2 times 3, 6 times 3, 18 is only this part. So what we have here, we have also the reduced parts, these two sides, which perimeter of the shape will be 18 plus 4 plus 4, which will be 22 plus 4, 26 centimeters. When it says perimeter, you need to add also these two parts. Then, when we are coming to 16th one, as you see, there is an exponential expression, and here we need to remember that if we have same bases, we can equalize the powers. If you have a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m, then n is equal to m. So here I will try to write 243 as the base 3. So to find 3 to the power of what is 243, I will start to divide 243 by 3. So as you see, it will be 8 times 3, 24. I will take 3 down. 1 times it goes 1 times 3, 3, then 0. So it means that 243 is equal to 3 times 81. I didn't continue to divide because I know that 3 times 81 is 9 squared. Then I know that 9 is 3 squared. Then it will become 3 times 3 to the power of 4, which is 3 times 5. If you know directly that 243 is 3 to the power of 5, you can write. But if you don't know, you can start to do like this. And if you cannot see that 81 is 9 squared or 3 to the power of 4 squared, you can continue to divide by 3 till you will get 1, and you will see how many 3's you will have there. So our equation becomes 3 to the power of 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 5. Now I have same basis. I will equalize the powers and it will be 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Now this is a linear equation, unknowns in one side, knowns in the other side, and it will become 2x is equal to 2, so x is equal to 1, which is B. This is the 16th one. Now, when we'll continue, in the 17th one, I have a sequence given. What is the general term for the following sequence? We need to find a general term for this sequence. So what we'll do, I will draw a table like previous lesson. So first term, second term, third one, how many? Fourth one is given. So here I will write the terms. It is 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7. First of all, let's see what is the difference between them. This is minus 4, and this here I have minus 4, and here I have minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 minus 4 is minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. So the difference here I will multiply with the place of the term. So here minus 4. 1 minus 4, it's minus 4. To get 5, what I need to do? I need to add plus 9. So minus 4 plus 9 will be 5. So I will check if it works for the others. 2 times minus 4, it's minus 8. Plus 9, it's plus 1. It works. 3 times minus 4, it's minus 12. Plus 9, minus 3, so it works. And in the last one, minus 16 plus 9, minus 7, it works. So it means that our general term is minus 4 times n, the position of the term, plus 9. Where is this one? You can write like this, or you can write like 9 minus 4n, which is E. When you are doing this, you need to check if it works for all the terms that is given. Then 18th one, very long text. Sarah works on a job that can be completed in 8 hours and is paid $56 when she completes the job alone. So let's continue. She starts working on the job alone and works for 3 hours before Kate joins her to complete the rest of the job together. Assume that Sarah and Kate have the same working speed. How much should Kate be paid for the work she contributes to the job? So here, firstly, let's find for 1 hour how much is paid. When Sarah works alone 8 hours, it is paid $56. So I will divide by 8. So 1 hour will be paid $7. Then here, she starts working on the job alone and works 3 hours. So how many hours are left to work together? 5 hours, because 8 hours they are working. So 2 people, 5 hours worked. I'm trying to find one of them, how many hours can work. So I will divide by 2. So one person works for 2.5 hours. So if 1 hour is paid $7, so 2.5 times 7 will give us how much will be paid for one of them when they will work together. So I will do 5 times 7, 35, 3 in mind, 2 times 7, 14, 3 in mind, 17. I have only one decimal place after the decimal point, so I'm going back one place. So this is $17.5 will be paid for Kate. Then in the 19th one, if a bike is now priced at $255 after a 15% reduction, what was its original price? So when you are doing a reduction and you need to do like this is total amount of the thing, the money, minus 15% of it will give you, this is the price after reduction, 255. So this becomes x minus, this is 15x over 100. If we'll convert 15% to fraction, it will be 15 over 100 is equal to 255. When we'll do the operations, then it will become 100x minus 15x over 100 is equal to 255. So this one is 85x over 100 is equal to 255. With the cross product, I will have 85x is equal to 255 times 100. So x is equal to 255 times 100 over 85. You can do the simplifications here when you will divide by 5 firstly, then like all the simplifications, you will see that 255 over 85 is equal to 3. So 3 times 100 will be 300. So this is, x is the money in the beginning before the reduction. So what we are doing, we are subtracting the reduction amount, and then we are finding what is given to us. Then with the operations, you will find the total amount of money. This is the 19th one. Now 20th one, let's see what is given to us. A probability table has been provided for the throw of a base die. So this is the probability when you are throwing a die. What will be the probability of getting 1? What will be probability of getting 2? These are the given probabilities. According to the table, how many times is it expected to show 3 on the die when it is thrown 250 times? So the probability of 3 is 0.2. So what I will do, if I'm throwing the die 250 times, I will multiply the probability of it with 250. So this will become 250 times 2 over 10. This 0 and this 0 will cancel each other. 25 times 2, which is 50. So 50 times it is expected to show 3 on the die when it is thrown. If you are throwing 250 times. This is a simple question, only you need to understand what is given to you. Now, 21st one, it says find the capacity of the tank in liter. So when it says capacity, we are talking about volume of the given shape. So here, the shape, the 3D shape, the prism is given with centimeters, but it is asked with liter. So we know that 1 liter,
Oh, teacher. Oh,
Okay.
teacher, you are mute.
Okay. I saw. Thank you. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. I was trying to do something else. Okay. So one more time. We need to remember that 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. So 1000 centimeter cube will make 1 liter. Oh, what's going on? Then firstly, let's find volume. Volume of 3D shape, especially in prisms, is to multiply all the 3 dimensions that are given to you. 15 times 35 times 16. So here, let's multiply firstly 15 times 35. I'm doing all the operations here for you to see that it's not very hard without calculator to do it. 5 times 5, 25, 2 in mind, 1 times 5, 5, and 2 in mind, 7, 5 times 3, 15, 1 in mind, 1 times 3, 3, 1 in mind, 40. So I'm adding them 5, 12, 1 in mind, 525 is this one. Then I need to multiply this one with 16. I'm multiplying with 16. 5 times 6, 30. 3 in mind. 2 times 6, 12. 3 in mind. 15. 1 in mind. 5 times 6, 30. 1 in mind. 31. The other part is multiplying by 1, so I'm writing directly as it is. When we'll add 0, 10, 1 in mind, 4, and this one is 8. So I have volume of 8,400 centimeter cube. So I need to convert this one to liters. So what we said, 1 liter is 1,000 centimeter cube. So I'm dividing this one by 1,000. So these two zeros will cancel each other. 84 over 10 will be 8.4 liters, which is B. This is 21. 22, I have skipped 22, but let me write here. Then I will come back to 23. I have forgotten 22 to put. 22 in the paper is even like this, 2a over 9 minus a over 2 is equal to 10. This is an equation question. So because we have fractions, firstly I need to do the operation between fractions. I need to make the denominators same. So it will become 2 times 2, 4a minus 9 times a, 9a over 2 times 9, 18 is equal to 10. So 4a minus 9a, it's minus 5a over 18 is equal to 10. Then minus 5a is equal to 10 times 18. Then I will divide by minus 5. A is equal to 10 times 18 over minus 5. Why I didn't do this multiplication? Because I can simplify 10 and 5, which will be 2, which is easier for me. 2 times 18 is 36, and you have over minus 1, which will be minus 36. This one is, I think, the answer D in the test. This was the 22nd one. Now let's go to 23rd one. Here it is. So what is given here? Let's see. Given a frequency table that displays the height of students in a class, find the class interval that contains the median. So here, one more time I'm repeating, you need to be careful what is given in the, what does mean frequency? It means that in the class there are 6 students which height of them is between 120 centimeters from 120 till 130. Then there are 8 students from 130 till 140, then 10 students from 140 till 150, 2 students from 150 till 160, and 1 student from 160 till 170. So in this interval are their heights. So firstly, when we'll add these numbers, we'll find the total number of students, which will be this one when you will add 27, as you can see. There are 27, totally 27 students in the class. Because it says median, if you remember from the previous lesson, median is when you are ordering the given numbers, what is given to you, from the smallest to the biggest one, the value in the middle. So I have here 27 students. So I need to order them from the shortest to the tallest one. So I have 27. I will replace them 13 students in the beginning. Then I have 13 here. And in the middle, I have one more. Okay, which will be 27 now. So this, the one in the middle, is the median. How I will find? Because we are starting from the shortest. So 6 students in this interval here, plus how many I need? 7 I need. So I am taking 7 from the second one. So the one that is left here, it's in the second interval. So median of this class interval contains the median is this interval. Here you have one more, so it will be 8 here, and the other 13 are here replaced. This is the answer of the 23rd one. Then 25th one, it's a geometry question. It's given a trapezoid, and it's given that these two are 90 degrees. This is 6 millimeters, AB 12 millimeters, BC 10 millimeters, and with the arrows it's given that they are parallel to each other, and we are looking for area. Area of a trapezoid, if you can see the formula is here. Adding the bases, we call DC and AB bases of the trapezoid. A plus B over 2 times height of the trapezoid. Because this part is given that it is 90 degrees. When I will draw the height from the point C, okay, so this one will become a rectangle. If this is 6 millimeters, also this part from the point, let's say this is H, from A to H will be 6. If this is 6 from H to B, to make it 12, also this one will be 6. Then we can find H with the Pythagorean theorem, which will be 10 square is equal to H square plus 6 square. So to find H, I will take 6 to the other side. 10 square minus 6 square is equal to H square. 100 minus 36 is equal to H square. So this is 64 is equal to H square. So H is equal to 8. One more time I'm repeating. Also this one is a special right triangle. 8, 6, 10, it is known. You can remember them, so you will not do this operation. You will not lose time. So if H is 8, now area will be 6 plus 12, 6 plus 12 over 2 times 8. So area is 18 over 2 times 8. 18 over 2 is 9 times 8, it is 72. This is 72 millimeter square is the area, which is D. This is 24th one. Now, 25th one. 25th one is an equation given. It is given as multiplication of expressions, different expressions. So what we need to do first to solve, we need to get rid of the parentheses. So I need to multiply one by one. So I'm multiplying firstly by x, both of them, then by 4, both of them, for the first part. Same thing I will do for the other part. And it will become x times x, it's x squared. X times 1, it's 1x, plus, because both of them is plus. 4 times x, it's plus 4x. 4 times 1, it's plus 4, is equal to. Then in the other side, we have x times x, again, x squared. X times 3, 3x. Now here I have minus 2 times x, which will be minus 2x. Minus 2 times 3, which will be minus 6. Now, when you have same terms in both sides with the same signs, you can cancel them. So x squared and x squared will cancel each other. Then I have here 5x, x plus 4x is 5x, plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 2x is x only minus 6. Now, unknowns in one side, knowns in the other side. So it will be 5x minus x is equal to minus 6. I'm taking 4 to the other side, minus 4. So it will be 4x is equal to minus 10. Then I'm dividing by 4. X is equal to minus 10 over 4. When you will do the division, you will see that this one is minus 2.5, which is D. So here we are finishing the questions of 2023. Today I recorded the lesson. I will ask to upload to the YouTube channel of the school. Then you can check. If you want to take notes, you can check from there. So thank you. for participating. See you on Saturday for the ones who wants to see the revision of this again. Next week on Wednesday, we'll have the 2023. So bye. If you have any question, I can answer your questions. Can you hear me, guys?
Excuse me?